Hi, everybody. This is Dan Kaplan, Marketing Manager for Booklist Publications. Thanks for coming to our workshop on putting Booklist Online to work. I'm going to show you a few things today that you might not have seen using Booklist Online. To begin with, we're at www.booklistonline.com. So we're going to take a walk around the website. I'm going to diagram the reviews and articles that we have and all the different features that are related to those. Make sure that you understand how to set your own profile up on Booklist Online, show you how to use the advanced search, and then some of the other work tools. Okay, first of all, this is what you find at www.booklistonline.com. Up at the top, you're going to see the place to sign in, and the top part of the homepage is basically that menu structure, and sign in is what you find on every page of the website. We're going to talk about the signing in later with the profile. That first set of menu bars is a useful navigation tool to get around, and want to make sure that you understand that we have many different newsletters that are free. Either they come by email at various intervals. We have webinars. Under the webinars, you can find what's coming up, and also archives of past webinars. And those are often they're subject-oriented, and publishers talk about books they have, and we have librarians talking about how to use collection development and reader advisory. We also have podcasts. This is relatively new. And Susan McGuire runs Shelf Care, so you can see listen to all kinds of great things there. So over on the left is the quick search, and we have over 25 years of reviews and articles that are in our database and easily found by searching. And we're going to get to the advanced search in a little bit, but a quick title search or author search will bring up a search result. And we have digital editions. Those are replicas of the print edition. We'll get to those in a few minutes. Going down the page, you can browse current issue by different categories, sort of in print order. And it's an easy way to, easy format that allows you to make lists of books that you're interested in, following up. And then there's also some of the current features that are found in the most recent issues. Those are articles that we'll look at later as well. So if we went into the digital editions page, which is available, we just click on the current cover, Booklist cover, on the left-hand navigation. You'll get to this page. And we have the last few years of Booklist and book links, as well as there's a special graphic novels publication from last year. So you can read these online using a web browser, or you can download apps for iOS or Android tablets and read them that way. So you don't have to wait around for your print copy of the magazine. So this is what you're looking at is a spread of one of the digital editions. So you can see that it's replicates what's in the print edition, and it's can be printed out. You can select a range of pages to print, or you can download it and you can read offline, as I mentioned, on your tablets. All right, so the book review, that is sort of the core unit of Booklist Online. And as of early 2020, we have well over 200,000 reviews and articles in our archive. So these are all Booklist recommended titles. And as you can see from this, we'll just kind of look through what is available on one of these review pages. So starting at the upper left, you can see that this particular book, Blood Water Paint, received a star review. The format is a book. Another format might be audiobook. You can tell by the symbols. And it's an award-winning book. And then, of course, underneath the title of the book is a full bibliography with, bibliographic information with links out on the ISBN to WorldCat. And you can see when it was published. In this case, it's at Books for Youth. You can see the grade range. And you can see when it was first published in Booklist. The review was first published in Booklist. Going down, of course, the center is the review as it appeared in the in the print magazine. And then going down the right-hand side, you can link to the awards that this book has won, and a very important feature of all Booklist reviews, or many Booklist reviews, is that in the website we have hand-picked editors' recommended titles that are similar. So this isn't a computer selecting a recommendation. These are our editors as they're preparing the review for it to appear on the website. They will select other books that they recommend. So it's very, very interactive. If we scroll down to the bottom, you'd also see features, which are like maybe longer form articles where this book is mentioned. And you can also find other books by this author. Here's what one of the features that appeared in our print magazine looked like when it converted to being online. And I wanted to point out, that there are some advantages to looking at our content online. In the left, you can see this was a top 10 spotlight, which we have various spotlights in every issue of the magazine. When you get to it online, you can see that it becomes very interactive. So if you scroll down, you can click through to the reviews of those titles. You can also, of course, get to other recommended titles that are similar. So it's great for readers advisory. You can print and use this, to display, at your desk, or just as great recommendations. And in the near future, we're working on creating a PDF version of these kinds of spotlights, which will make them even more functional and attractive when you print them out. So all of these great pieces of content are available to subscribers of Booklist. When you're a print subscriber, you get a single user. You have the ability to create a profile, which gives you access to all the content. Some of the current content is available if you click through one of our newsletters, for example. But to really get to have full access, you have to have a profile. We also sell Booklist Online to institutions where the entire library system or a school district or a university may offer access to everyone. In that case, you can see more content. But in order to do some of the personalized, to use some of the personalized features, you need to create a profile. So under the My Booklist menu, which is found on every page, you would see this profile page. So what you need to do is, it takes about 2 minutes to fill this out, but you would need to know your, if you have an institutional account, you don't need your print subscription number. Your print account number is found on your mailing label, assuming that you are a print subscriber. If you have any problem locating that, your magazine comes without a mailing label, you can email, as it says on the page here, info@booklistonline.com, and I'll look up, or someone will look up your account number. We'll get you set up. So the nice thing about having a profile is it allows you to have remote access. You'll need to have a profile in order to set up your tablet to read the digital edition. With a profile, you can save searches, you can create and save searches, you can create and save lists, and you can also create and save alerts. All right, let's take a look at the advanced search. So we're going to go through the top here. So you can search, you can see that there are, on the left here, 3 different tabs. You can search reviews, you can search features, and you can also get to your saved searches from there. So you have the option to search in many different fields, and I'll show you on the next slide some of the taxonomy that you can use for searches and other limiters. But once you create a search, you can save that search, or you can add, individual. You can select search results to save into a list. You can save that search. You can print those results. You can download them as those menu items show over on the right-hand side. So there are ways to use this and to share with other people as well. Helps to create as part of the workflow of collection development. So, okay, so going down further on the advanced search, we offer quite a wide range of taxonomy. You can limit, adult, youth, audio. Booklist, of course, reviews audiobooks as well. Those are available. You can limit by when the review is published. You can also limit to when the book was published, and you can see other limiters: audience, Dewey range, grade range, fiction, nonfiction. And down at the very bottom, you can search. You can limit yourself to just starred reviews or award-winning books, so you can really get exactly what you're looking for. And the best thing is as many lists and searches as you want to create, you can keep coming back to it. So I also want to point out, you can link to this or go directly to our blog, which is the Booklist Reader. And that is really fun. There's more it's a little bit more freeform than some of the, the content articles on Booklist Online. It's newsy. There's interviews. It's frequently updated. So I do recommend checking that out. And you can sign up for a sort of a digest email that comes every week, which will bring you back. Which will bring you back there. And of course, you can also find us on Facebook and Twitter. So always keeping up with the book industry and library industry. Obviously, this is not a live webinar, so you can't ask questions directly, but I would welcome you to email me, Dan Kaplan again, at info@booklistonline.com. We can help you set up your profile. If you're interested in getting Booklist Online Unlimited for your school district, library system, or university, colleges, also send me an email and I can give you a quote. So thank you. And I'm just going to leave you with a tease. These will be past probably by the time you see this, but here's some upcoming webinars. They're all free, and we encourage you to register at booklistonline.com and look for the webinars tab for the registration. So thank you. Look forward to seeing you online. Bye-bye.